Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming you own the account and have access to its recovery email. This prevents lockout when removing the number. Next, identify where your mobile number is used. Sign in, two-factor texts, alerts, so you know what to change. Once done, generate and securely store backup codes and immediately enable an authenticator app or hardware key. These replace SMS. Make sure to note any linked services that will need their contact info updated before you remove the phone number. You now go into the account's security or contact settings to remove the number. Click Edit next to Phone, choose Remove or Replace, and follow verification prompts, often an email or authenticator confirmation. This proves it's you. After removal, systematically update any linked services and notification preferences to your new contact method so alerts continue. If an account forces a phone for verification, add the authenticator or backup codes first, then remove the number to avoid being locked out. Finish by signing out and signing back in to confirm the mobile number is no longer used for login or 2FA. Test the new authentication method immediately, use the authenticator or backup codes, and verify recovery options point to your email or alternate contact. Make a short record of changes in a secure place. If you encounter issues or the service still requests the removed number, contact support and provide proof of identity. This troubleshooting step usually resolves lingering verification requirements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.